Hi there, it's CreativeSarah, and we're gonna do some veins and spirits jars. But first, we've got these cute wood cutouts, which can be found in the Etsy shop or Facebook page called CreativeWoodCutsShop. And it's all one word, CreativeWoodCutsShop. Okay, so the actual border we are painting with just our black chalk paste. I did spray it with a little water before I started painting. And then the top layer I have painted white with our bright white chalk paste. And those will get glued together when we assemble. I also have cutouts for the bat and the skull and crossbones. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and do a little bit of surface waxing here with our Chalk Couture surface wax. And then we're going to use our transfer. I'm just kind of checking on things. I'm going to squeegee transfer with our shimmer, our shimmer plum and our shimmer olive. Those are the two glittery, shimmery Halloween colors that I'm using, along with white and black. You can always add in our orange peel too. It looks great with these. They're my favorite Halloween colors to use. Okay, so I'm just doing little bits of color here and there. The outline here, I'm gonna make it in black. So it's gonna look multi-layered because there's the white background, the black outline, and then we're going to glue it to the black cutout. And here I'm just going to go ahead and use the black velvet to create the outline of the jar and the jar lid that's on the top. It's going to look really cool. As soon as I peel and reveal, I'll show you. Look at that jar. Okay. Now I'm going to do the skull and crossbones, line it up with the transfer, and I'm going to use our glow in the dark paste, y'all. Glow in the dark paste. I am so excited to use that. Brand new. And you guys, a little goes a long way. It's a little thinner than our normal chalk paste, but I'm telling you what, this stuff is cool. Once you get it all chalked and everything is set in place, you want to charge it with the see that? You want to charge the paste with a light, okay? It's just to absorb that light, and then it will be glow in the dark. I'll show you at the end of this video. I have a really cool in the dark version of the things. Okay, so the skull and crossbones are glow in the dark. Very cool. That's going to get glued to the front of the jar. Look at that. Super cute. Now we're going to go double-sided. We're going to go double-sided, so we're going to do this on the back again. So I've got the cutout that matches the outline of this jar, or this shape now. And this has the bats. So it'll be really cool. Again, I'm using the same shimmer colors and our black velvet. Could easily have used shimmer shadow for the black if I wanted to. But I'm just squeegeeing the chalk paste, covering the silk screen. Oh, it looks so good. Just wait, we're gonna do that bat. I've previously painted it with black chalk paste. And now I'm gonna use the glow in the dark paste to do the bat. Now, oh, so cool. We're gonna dry it, and of course we need to charge it. Remember, charging with the sun. Well, the sun or a light. So I'm just going to paint the rest of this jar here. And then once I peel this off, we're going to dry all of the chalk paste. And we're just going to finish drying all these pieces. And now we're going to assemble. I'm just using the hot glue gun to put all the pieces together. And stick around for another few seconds so you can see it glow in the dark. Here it comes. It is so cool. First, we're going to see that fun skull and crossbones, and then the cool little bat. Remember, charge it with the light, and then you can turn off the lights. Go ahead and find more information at CreativeSarah.com or click the link in the description or the bio.